How to add Cash App card to Apple Pay. So if you want to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay, you first have to go ahead and open up your Cash App. Once you open it up, you can find different options here. You just have to head over to the card section at the bottom, right beside your cash option. And once you go to your card section here, you can scroll down a bit and here you can find an option to add card to Apple Pay. Just tap on that. If you haven't set up Apple Pay already, you could just go ahead and open up the help settings, go to your account, scroll down until you find support, and then you can tap on Apple Pay here. And from here, you could just go ahead and simply add Cash Card to Apple Pay. So you will see the related link. You could just tap on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now, from here, you could just go ahead and tap on the next button at the top right corner after entering your card details. Then you can use your cash card as your default on your Apple Pay. If you don't want to do that, tap on Not Now. And then your cash card will be added to Apple Pay. And you just need to remember that your PIN is the same one that you use on Cash App. And that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.